onto the team bus. With smiles, handshakes, and focused minds, they are ready for the big challenge ahead. Escorted towards their hotel, every
Welcome to the luxurious 5-star Dubai Hotel, the grand home for our cricket superstars. Look at this. The Indian and Pakistan teams sitting together enjoying a light chat. Some are asking for tea, others are praising the biryani. And even the umpire is laughing, saying, "Forget tomorrow's pressure. Tonight we enjoy..."
time is over, and the children happily step into the bus. With laughter, stories, and playful chatter, they begin their journey back home. Every turn of the road brings them closer to family, comfort, and the joy of homecoming. It's the little moment School time is over, and the children happily step into the bus. With laughter, stories, and